I'm Neelotpal. I'm posted as Superintendent of Police, Gadchiroli district, Maharashtra since last 15 months, from October 2022 to be precise. And I've been knowing ideaForge since last almost 5 years, since I was the nodal officer of Smart City policing at Nagpur city. And ideaForge at that time had supplied 5 UAV Netra drones as part of mobile surveillance vehicle. So I've been knowing ideaForge since that time, and when I came here in Gadchiroli 15 months back, then I got to know that ideaForge is already into partnership with Gadchiroli Police for the supply of UAVs, and at that point of time we had their long endurance drones known by switch drones, and we have 3 of them, and recently we have purchased few more of them, and at present Gadchiroli Police is having a fleet of 9 switch drones, 3 of them which we procured last week, and these 9 switch drones have been a operational game changer for Gadchiroli Police in its fight in anti-Naxal operations. I cannot divulge much of the details of the operations which we have done, but the switch drone having an endurance of more than 2 hours and having a flight distance of 15 km with an altitude range of approximately 1 kilometer, that helps us to conceal the drone without the sound or the drone actually deployed being visible or audible to any of the formations nearby. And we have been able to track down the armed formation in deeper pockets of Gadchiroli, particularly on the Chhattisgarh border. And there have been instances in which we have been able to see the location of armed formations, and we have been able to avert some of the incidents which they were planning against Gadchiroli Police. And there have been instances in which, based on the location of armed formations, anti-Naxal operations were launched, and we have achieved considerable success in these anti-Naxal operations in terms of neutralization or arrest of armed cadres in Gadchiroli. Before using of ideaForge UAVs, the problem which we used to face is that there are a lot of our posts on Chhattisgarh border where we were not exactly knowing what is going on 10 kilometers away from our post, and launching a area search operation 10 kilometers away from the post used to make our teams vulnerable. So these ideaForge drones with a range of 15 km, we are able to exactly scan the entire area all around the post, which help us in doing the post protection also. And there has been instances in which we have used switch VTOL for deterrence, that they are under surveillance, so that any probable or preemptive attacks can be prevented. And previously we didn't used to get the what exactly is going on at night. The thermal camera of ideaForge attached to the VTOL with a 4x zoom has been very helpful for us in lot of cases. In dense forest areas also we have been able to get thermal signatures of armed cadres, which has helped us to decide what is the strength of these cadres, and based on that we have been able to fine tune our operational capabilities.